Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be all about the new tunnel portal section that I'm working on with the static grassing and car park area that I'm building at the back end of the layout. So without further ado, let me show you what I've been up to. So as you can see, I've been blending in all of the grasses around this road leading up to the car park. I've been working sort of behind the scenes a little bit on some of the tunnel portals that I have here. I've grassed up this section up in here, made it with like some weeds and little bits of bushes and stuff in there. I'm starting to work on the wall. That will all be weathered up so it doesn't look so sort of shiny. This little section here is going to be sort of a bit of a train spotting or viewing section, and maybe a couple of little benches in there as well. And then I'll add some little mud tracks where I've sort of pushed down the grass a little bit, coming from the car park area there. It's still a little bit wet at the moment, and I just have to now fill in the gap in between the two boards there. But this section is starting to come along quite nicely. I'm going to continue the road up and around towards where the windmill is, and a little bit in where the car park section is there. And then once that's drying, I can then start on getting the ballast done at the end of this section here, and working on a little bit of groundwork now where I've changed the design up in this section here. So things are progressing quite nicely. The airfield section, I still haven't done too much with that. I've added another little bit of patches of grass in places, done a little bit of grassing up in this section here just to kind of tie it off a bit, and I still have some more grass section to do in down here. So yeah, starting to come together. It's just a small little update on how things are progressing. I'm going to show you a couple of other little clips of other things that we're doing, and also a couple of little trains running by for the rest of the video. So something else that I've been contemplating on doing is adding in some telegraph poles. I won't necessarily keep those bases, they'll be sort of sunk into the layout. But as you can see, we've got a few sort of running down the main stretch of the layout there. And then that'll be some sort of telegraph wires that will lead up in towards the station area that goes up at the back there. So this is how the section's looking at the moment. The road at the back there where the windmill is going to be, that's still a little bit wet. I'm starting to add in a little bit of bush detail in and around the road, and just now waiting for the static grass to dry. I've now cut a load more pieces for the retaining walls that are in this section, and then what I'm going to do is start to weather down all of the brickwork and the stonework all around there. So I'm going to end this video here. I'd like to say a massive thank you for watching, and a massive thank you to all the channel members and people that follow me on Patreon, and hopefully I should have another update out the same time next week. So thank you very much for joining, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.